Alright, so in this video I'm going to show you the Enhancement 1 project that we were doing for the PHP Motors website. So in this website I'll show you the responsiveness of the template here, which you can see like the sides in the large view that they're going to display for the background image. And as the image gets smaller, you'll notice that it goes to the full screen, so the background on the sides of the PHP Motors website is not viewable anymore. And then that's the template. We'll go to the home page that we are working on here. So in the home page, you'll notice a couple things here. So it's the same as the template, and in the small view, which it is right now, it's going to have the background hidden by the full body of the web page. And then you'll notice that we have a button that's down here below the DeLorean. And then in the small view as well, you have the DeLorean reviews that are just below the button, and then the DeLorean upgrades that are just below the reviews. And then, so to show the responsiveness for the large view, so as we go up, one thing that you'll notice is the button right here that's below the DeLorean. This will go to the description of the DeLorean right here as the large view comes into place here. So as we're going, there you'll notice that the button went just below the ad description of the DeLorean, and then we just went into the large view so you can see the background of this web page here. And one thing to kind of note too, so in the buttons, you'll notice that on the top, bottom, and sides, it kind of jumps out of the navigation box. So it's got like the crisp lines and everything there. And then below, you'll notice something different from the small view and the large view. So in the small view, you'll notice that the DeLorean reviews were on top of the DeLorean upgrades. And so you'll notice that right here. And then so in the HTML, when writing, you have the DeLorean reviews on top and then the upgrades just below it. And so when doing this, going to the large view, it jumps so the upgrades are on the left-hand side and the DeLorean reviews are on the right-hand side. And this is something that was done through Flex, and it's a Flex row reverse, which enables us to take our reviews, and instead of having the reviews as it's the first portion, because anytime you're doing a website and it goes to the large view and you have it side by side, the top is always going to go to the left-hand side. And so in order to fix that, we can use the row reverse in order to flip those two elements to make them display how we want to within that portion of it. So again, we got everything that we need as far as the navigation goes. We have the responsiveness of the pictures and everything, the background, and so the web page gets, so you can see the background on the large portion, on the large display. And then for the checkers, so we're in the local host right here, so what we're going to do is come to our settings, and we're going to validate the local HTML. So as we click that, there we go, it'll go through our HTML, and it looks like the document is checking complete with no errors, warnings, and signs. So that's perfect. And so we'll go back to the PHP Motors website again, and then going into the settings, let's check the validate local CSS. And so it'll check the CSS within our website here locally. And there we go, looks like it's no errors found within our CSS, so that's great as well. And then that's pretty much it for our video for today. Thanks, guys.